Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export the video in DaVinci Resolve. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, of course, you need to open DaVinci Resolve, and here as you can see I have a ready to export video. So I have here some text, I cut it, so I want to export this video. So to export this video, all I have to do is to simply click on this deliver section just in the bottom of the screen. And here basically you will see this interface. Here in the left side, you will find the export settings. So here is some presets. So for example, for YouTube, etc., I always choose here custom export so I can customize everything. Here, the first section is file name. So basically here you can change the name of the video, with what name the video will be exported. So for example, it would be video test. Here basically you can choose the location. Clicking on the browse button, you can choose where this video will be saved. So for example, for me it will be videos folder. Now you can choose the single clip, individual clips. I always choose single clip. If you have only one clip, it will render it. So here you can choose what you want to render. It can be video, only audio, or just file. I go with the video because video is video and audio. So here you can change the presets for the video. So I always choose format the QuickTime. I recommend you to choose it. You can go with the MP4 as well. Codec is always H.264. This is classic, but you can always change it right here. Encoder auto. And basically every single setting can be changed here. So the preset, I choose balance, so the balance, quality and speed. You can go with a performance, but it means that the quality will be lower, but the render speed will be higher, and quality is vice versa. I go with the balanced. So now, of course, you can find some advanced settings and change them if you want. You can see it by yourself. But when you're ready, you need to click on the Add to Render queue right here. And as you can see in the right side of the screen, you have the render queue. And to start the render of this video, you can just simply click on the Render All button. And as you can see now, rendering in progress, and basically it takes a few seconds and it says completed. And now basically you can open the folder where, as you can see here it is, and see your video. And basically that's it. It is how you can export in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.